Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. This is the 2024 Catalina Legacy Edition 343BHTSLE Bunkhouse Triple Slide Legacy Edition. We've got our battery disconnect right up on the front. We've got the brand new BAL auto leveling system. Touch a button, you level your trailer, remembers your jack heights, everything. Side storage. Power awning with LED light strip. You've got a remote to control the light. You can speed it up, slow it down, different colors, all that. This is a bunkhouse model, so they give you a camp kitchen. Mini fridge, griddle, hot and cold water. Got the storage in the back, 200 pounds you can put on there. And we've also got the Lippard on-the-go ladder system. It's a collapsible ladder. Very cool, 25 pounds. You can get the ladder from us. The prep is already installed on that. They've got the brand new safety rail. Very easy to hook up. I like this couch more and more every time I show it. There's storage underneath the couch and it sets up real easy. You just grab the handle right here, open this up. Now you've got all kinds of storage under there. Or you can flip it down, then you're ready to go to town. Not the biggest bed in the world, but you know, for the kids staying over, it's pretty cool. Our 12-volt refrigerator, travel lock, on-off button, 3-burner cooktop range oven, farm sink, got the fireplace, stereo system. Here's our bunkhouse. That bed will fold down. Already have storage containers for you. Our shower. In our front bedroom. This unit is prepped for a washer dryer, or you could just leave it as a closet. You have a big closet already. Nice big bed. You can walk around this whole bed and you have room to make the bed. Some of them are pretty tight on the sides and our second air. This is Tim with Friendship RV, and I almost forgot our motion activated control panel. You can control a lot of the items on this control panel with your phone also. Once again, this is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.